What's up, bullish friends? I hope you guys are all doing great out there today. Drip is on a nice little pump here this morning. I noticed before I went to bed last night that Drip was on a nice little pump, and this morning it's back on. It's just staying on that nice little pump, so that's awesome to see. Love to see Drip going up, hoping it shoots to the moon. We're going to see how this all plays out, but it's good to see that this nice little jump coming in here. Now, before I jump into this video and really start diving into all this, number one, this is not financial advice. Anything I give you is never financial advice, so I always have to remind you that in every video. But I put out a video a few days ago on Drip, talking about when I think Drip is going to shoot to the moon. And it's not a rant, but I've got a little, sometimes there are two types of people in this community. Either they're outside the community and they hate Drip and they think Drip is a scam and a Ponzi scheme, or people are only so hyper-focused on Drip that if you say anything that can be construed as negative at all about Drip, they do not like it. And typically what I'm talking about here is I have a Drip video I put out, and I was talking about when will Drip go back to the moon. And I think some people misunderstand what moon means, and I think some people misunderstand what my bullishness on Drip is. So first off, shooting to the moon, I mean Drip going back to that all-time high, shooting back over to $100 all the way up to $173. That's an all-time, the all-time high. So I'm thinking Drip mooning is like $100 plus. Okay, $50 plus would be awesome, but $100 plus would be Drip going back to to moon level, shooting off and getting back up. Now right now we're at like $7, which, hey, no complaints, man. The price of Drip doesn't ultimately matter as long as they keep paying us out 1% every single day. Over time, you're going to accumulate that wealth by compounding, hydrating every freaking day and claiming just occasionally, okay? You're going to keep compounding and growing that wallet. But the other day, I had a couple dislikes on a video, and usually my Drip videos all get, massive likes. Usually they're liked, well-liked, and I had a couple, just a couple little thumbs downs, which, hey, I'm a big boy. I can handle it. It doesn't bother me too much. But what I do think is that some people are so hyper-focused that when I mentioned that Drip would probably not return to the super moon area of its price action until late 2023 or 2024. I think some people think that's me not being bullish on Drip, but I'm super bullish on Drip. I've invested like $16,000 of my own money on Drip, okay? In between the two wallets that I own. I got in one at like $12,000, and I got in, when the price was like $121. And same with my other wallet. I got in, and I think it was higher than that, and I put four or 4,500 in. So I'm bullish on Drip, and long term, I think it's going to keep growing and getting bigger and bigger. I think we're all going to make a lot of money. But anyway, just wanted to throw that out there today. Don't be so hypersensitive about this stuff going on in Drip. I think it's a great community. I think we're going to keep growing, and I think it's going to keep getting stronger, and we're going to get paid out that 1% daily for a really long time. I think what Forexshark has built is it's just an awesome ecosystem. I think it's going to get better and better. So anyway, we're not here for that today. I just wanted to get that off my chest. Love you guys. I love the Drip community. I love Drip itself, and I'm bullish on this for the long term. Now let's take a look at this Drip price action. Now you can see we're up about 2% right now. And sorry if you guys caught part of this video earlier. I had to redo some of it because half the video got cut off. I don't know what happened. I'm not the best YouTube video editor in the world, so not sure what happened, but we're going to go through this again anyway. Well, the price of Drip is up 2%, and so we're at like $6.93 right now, which again is really, really awesome. So we're on a pretty steady rise in the last 24 hours, and that is despite the market being down under $1 trillion now. So there's huge drops. Like if you go look at these coins on the rest of the market cap here, if you just look at it, look at the sea of red that's floating in here. I mean, everything's freaking down right now. Everything's falling. And, you know, that Ethereum merge came through yesterday, and the market is just dipping from it. Now, I think all of this is temporary because I think crypto in the long term is huge, and I'm super bullish on this entire industry. But it's good to see, you know, when everything's way down right now and dipping, that drip is sitting up here on, you know, a nice little rise. And I'll take any green we can get right now. So we got a terrible bear market going on. We've got, you know, all the economic issues going on worldwide, all the crazy additional issues that we're dealing with shortages and supply chain issues and food shortages. So I will be glad to take any green we're getting right now. That said, I don't know where drip's going to go from this pump. Maybe it'll go up to the mid 7s. Maybe it'll go a little higher. Maybe it starts to go down from this point as well. Because it is, like I said, it is a bear market, and there will be people collecting their drip profits at this point. Although it's good to see people getting back in and people hydrating and staying with this. So what are you going to do right now? Where do you see drip going? Do you think we're going to continue this climb up here? Or do you think we're going to start taking a big dip back down? Or do you guys see us starting to go into that moon phase? You know, are we starting to get there yet? Where do you see us at? I love your guys' opinion. I love to hear what you think. I love this community. I love drip. And I'm always curious to what you think is going on. I'm not always right. And I think pretty much anyone stating their opinion is not going to be always right. But I'm always curious to get your feedback and see what your reaction is. But like I said, I'm bullish. I'm happy to see this rise right now. And real quick, let's go over, see the drip chart from the drip community tab. Okay, and they're showing us up at about 747 right now. I know there's always discrepancies between the two charts, but I know some guys like to see this, while other people like to see, you know, I just use CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, and you can really see what's going on here. So I'll take the green right now. What do you guys think? What do you think is going on? And as always, guys, keep hydrated. Keep that drip going, and thank you for staying here and watching the video. Give me a like and a subscribe. Thumbs up if you like this video. Thanks, guys. See you in the next one.